how to translate documents instantly with Google Gemini AI. So to instantly translate documents with Google Gemini AI, firstly open up the Gemini app. So I'm going to use my app. You can also use your browser if you want to. So once you're done, once you have opened up Gemini and you can log into your account, okay, you can log into your account if you have an account, so you can do that. And then here, once you're on the app, so what you're going to do, you're going to tap on this Ask Gemini option here. So you can either upload the document or paste the text you want to translate. So you have either ways of doing it, so you can do that. So for example, let me choose a text. So I'll just use this text here. So I'm going to like translate this text here. So this is just an article, so I'm going to just copy this. Let me copy this text here. So for example, this one here. So okay, that's the text. Okay, I'm going to copy that. So now I'm going to go back to Gemini and then paste it. So go and paste. So paste it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Gemini to probably like translate this, translate this document or this text. Okay, this text to probably like Spanish or any other language, whatever language you want to, you can just translate. Okay, so you can just give the instructions and say that, and then you can hit the send option here. So as I mentioned earlier, you can either upload the whole document. If you have a document, you can simply upload it, tap on the images icon, or even you can take a photo of these documents. So tap on the camera icon here and then take a photo of the document if you want to, or you can just extract or copy the text and then paste it and then hit on the send option here. And there you go. So instantly, this is the Spanish translated version of the text I just provided. So as you can see it, so that's the translated version. So Gemini will instantly process the text and provide the translated version, as you can see here. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.